just open this plastic bag, and on my surprise, I found this thing. Full of the diagnostics for malaria. Which look like this. And we have even this little pump for blood. So I could do myself a malaria test right now, because here, if you sweat, if you have fever, that's pretty much malaria, and I've been sweating for maybe a week, feel very weak, and I have to go now to Phnom Penh to do my visa, and it's just malaria really takes your energy away, makes you very weak if I have it, but it's endemic in the area. We have posters warning us of malaria here. So, but you can eat, but no energy. On top of all things, I just needed this. I guess if I survive, one more thing to brag with, huh? Oh, I had malaria. No.